It's time for everyone's favorite part of CRUD, deleting, because it's usually the most simplest. And Prisma, along with everything else, just makes it really simple. So let's see, delete a user. Who do we want to delete? Let's delete Esuchia right here. So to delete a user, we will run the following command: const deleted user. Prisma will return the user deleted. Await Prisma dot user dot, you guessed it, delete. Okay, where ID is 2. Right, let me double check that. So where ID is 2 is the one I want to delete. And then let's go ahead and log the deleted user. npm run dev. Perfect, ID 2, Esuchia, name. So this item has been deleted from our database. And if we go to our studio and we refresh, it's now gone. And of course, with delete a user, we can also delete many users. And let's just delete our whole database. So const many delete users is equal to await prisma.user.delete many. Okay, you can just throw a bracket, you can throw parentheses, or you can throw an empty pair of brackets. It'll get you the same result. We are not putting any sort of where or limit. So by default, it's just going to delete all the users in our database. So currently we have 3. So this should print out 3. npm run dev. Count 3. Perfect. Fresh. And we have no more data in our database. So that's deleting, and that's deleting many users.